Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you have beta access in the Google Play Games app and linking your Google account for saves. Once done, back up local progress so you can restore if settings change. Next, enable developer options on your Android device and turn on USB debugging. You may need ADB for location override. You do these now because changing region can invalidate beta flags, so act deliberately and prepare a restore point before proceeding to the next steps. You'll change the device region using ADB for accuracy. Run a DB shell set prop persist. CIS, country US or the desired country code. Once applied, clear cache and app data for Google Play Games and the Play Store so cached region info resets. Make sure to sign out of your Play Store account and sign back in. This forces Play Services to reevaluate location for beta eligibility. If you prefer no ADB, use a reliable VPN plus a new Google account. But you finish by reopening Google Play Games and checking the beta toggle or enrollment status. Install any available updates and restart the app. If the beta option is still missing, uninstall and reinstall Play Games after clearing Google Play Services and Play Store data to force a fresh sync. Make sure your VPN is off if you used one. Troubleshooting tip: if changes don't stick, clear Google Play Services data, reboot, and repeat the ADB region set. This resolves most stuck region issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.